JobTread is built for contractors who want a simpler, modern project management system, while Buildertrend is built for contractors who want a more established all-in-one platform covering sales, scheduling, client communication, and financial tracking. By the end of this, you'll know how JobTread and Buildertrend compare in real contractor workflows, where each one fits best, and which platform makes more sense depending on how complex your projects and client management needs are. JobTread focuses on clean project management and financial control. It covers estimating, proposals, job posting, project tracking, and client communication in a streamlined system designed to reduce complexity. Buildertrend focuses on full business management for contractors. It includes lead management, estimates, scheduling, client communication, budgeting, selections, and invoicing, all in one platform. The biggest difference is approach. JobTread is built to be simple and flexible, while Buildertrend is built to be a full-featured system that handles every part of a contracting business. In daily use, JobTread feels more modern and easier to navigate. Contractors often use it to quickly create estimates, track job costs, and manage project progress without dealing with too many layers of complexity. Buildertrend feels more comprehensive. It connects multiple parts of the business together, including sales pipelines, project scheduling, financial tracking, and client communication inside one system. On project management, JobTread keeps things focused on budgets, estimates, and job cost tracking so contractors can clearly see profitability per project. Buildertrend expands project management into a full operational system that includes scheduling, selections, client updates, and job tracking from start to finish. On financial tracking, both platforms handle job costing, but JobTread emphasizes clarity and simplicity, while Buildertrend provides deeper structure across budgets, invoicing, and financial workflows. For smaller contractors or teams that want a clean system without too much complexity, JobTread often feels easier to adopt and manage day to day. For contractors who want one platform to run almost every part of their business, Buildertrend is usually the more complete option. The core difference is simplicity versus full business coverage. JobTread focuses on keeping project and financial management straightforward. Buildertrend focuses on covering every operational area of a contracting business in one system. To choose between them, look at how much structure you want in your software. If you want something fast, clean, and focused on project and cost tracking, JobTread fits well. If you want a full system that manages leads, clients, scheduling, and finances together, Buildertrend is stronger. A simple next step is to list how many separate tools you currently use for estimating, scheduling, and invoicing. If you want to consolidate into one system, Buildertrend is designed for that. If you want a lighter system focused on core project control, JobTread is usually enough. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor software and business tools.